Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.5 question number 5. Solve the following linear equations, that is 5. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Let us solve the problem. Here, first of all, we are writing the question. The question is 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Let us find the LCM of 4 and 3, and that is 12, right? Therefore, here the LCM is 12. If we divide 12 by 4, that is 3. Therefore, 3 will be multiplied with this. 3 will be multiplied with 3t minus 2 minus, if we divide 12 by 3, it is 4. It is 4 into 2t plus 3, 2t plus 3. If we take the LCM as 3, then it will be 2 minus 3t, right? Or here you will get as 12. This is 90 minus 3 to the 6 minus 4 to the 80 minus 4 3 to 12 is equal to 2 minus 3t by 3, right? Or you can get here as 90 minus 80, that is t, minus 12 and minus 6 is minus 18 by 12 is equal to 2 minus 3t by 3 by cross multiplication. That is, if we know that if it is a by b is equal to c by d, we can write a into d is equal to b into c, right? That means this will multiply with this number and this number will multiply with this number, right? Therefore, we can say that 3 into t minus 18 is equal to 12 into 2 minus 3t, 2 minus 3t. Or you can write here as 3t minus 18 into 3, 18 into 3, that is 24, 3, 4, 5, 54, that it is minus 54 is equal to 12 to the 24 minus 3 to the 36 minus 36 t. Now on transposing we get 3t plus 36t is equal to 24 plus 54, or 36 plus 3 is equal to 39t is equal to 4 plus 4, 8, and 5 plus 2 is 7. Or you can write here as t is equal to 78 divided by 39. That means dividing both sides by 39, we are getting t equals 78 by 39. We divide this is 1 and this is 2. That is, or t is equal to 2. T is equal to 2, and that is the answer. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.